Hello guys, today let's take a look at the top hottest rising keywords of the month. There are many keywords with millions in search volume with low competition. Take a look here. Let's sort the competition by lowest to highest. As you can see, there are plenty of huge keyword volumes with low competition. I will export the entire list of these top global rising keywords. I'll leave the link below in the video description for you guys to download this Excel file. I hope this helps. Thanks so much and be sure to subscribe for more.